Today we're going to learn how to enable voice chat on Roblox easily and quickly. First, go to the official Roblox website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click the icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. To activate voice chat, you need to be over 13 years old and have a verified phone number. Click on Add Phone Number, enter your phone number, and then click Continue. Roblox will send a 6-digit verification code to the email linked to your account. Open your email, copy the code, paste it into the field, and click Verify. Next, you'll also receive a text message with another code sent to your phone. Enter that code on the website and click Continue. Your phone number is now successfully verified. Now it's time to confirm that you are over 13 years old. To do this, Roblox offers two options. You can either upload an ID document or take a selfie so the system can automatically verify your age. In this case, we'll choose the selfie option. Click Continue with Selfie. The site will ask you to take a photo, and you can continue the process using your phone by scanning the QR code shown on the screen, or you can do it directly from your computer. After taking and submitting your selfie, the system will analyze your image to estimate your age. If it confirms that you're over 13, a message will appear saying that your age verification was successful. Click Done to continue. With both your phone number and age verified, you can now enable voice chat. Go to Privacy and Content Restrictions, then Communication, and look for voice chat. Turn on the Enable Microphone option. Accept Roblox terms and conditions, and click Enable. That's it. Voice chat is now activated on your account.